Hi, today we are going to transfer our old CMS wiki pages to a fresh new website, and the first thing you want to do is access your wiki. So I just type in CMS wiki and I go to the main CMS wiki home and I sign in. So if you're not signed in, you won't see your name, but then I click on my wikis and I choose a wiki that I want to keep something from. So go there. And I find, you can tell how dated it is already, find something that I want to keep. And I don't have to transfer every page, only the ones that I really want. And so what I can do from here is just copy everything I want and do Control-C. And then I go over to a new site. Now I can either go to Weebly, sign in and click Add Site, or I can go to Google Sites and click on the red plus sign at the bottom right. And I don't think you guys can see that right now, but okay. So I'll click on that. It's a red plus sign, bottom right. And it now opens up a new page for me, and I can give this page a title. I can call it Ms. Gerthy's website, or I can call it Piedmont INS, blah, blah. And then I can publish it when I'm ready. I can add collaborators who will be able to edit and share things with me. I can make a new page. So I go down to the bottom right again, the plus sign, and I'm going to call this page, I don't remember what I copied. And done. And then what I do is I drag over, go back to the insert, and I drag over a text box. Double click it. Alright, then to edit it, Control-V, and all the words go back. So now I can also upload photos, images, embed things, and I could just put in hyperlinks from things from Google Drive. So if I've got stuff saved there, I can do that. Thank you. That is a quick and easy way. Don't forget to publish when you're done. Oh, let me tell you something when you publish. When you publish, you're going to give it a name, and where it says who can view my site, you need to change that because you want anyone to be able to see it, not just specific people, not just people at CMS. Wait, we want it to be public. Change. Anyone can find and view the published version. Okay, so I'm going to cancel all that because I don't want to really make this page, but that's it. Contact me if you need help.